Hello. Hello. How are you doing lately? I'd love to practice English conversation with you. I'm a beginner in English. That's great. What would you like to talk about? I'd love to talk about my daily routine. Perfect. Tell me about your day. I wake up around 7 in the morning. 7 o'clock is early. Is it hard to wake up early? A little. It's a little hard because I often stay up late for work. I understand. When I stay up late, it's hard in the morning. What kind of work do you do? I'm a programmer. I prepare my work for the next day before going to bed. That's a cool job. Does it help you to plan your work the night before? Yes, it does. It's better than not preparing at all. Of course. Planning in advance makes a big difference. What do you do after preparing for work before going to bed? I don't do anything in particular, just sleep. In the morning, I have breakfast after my wife and son. That's a busy schedule. Do you often feel tired? Nothing in particular. I sleep 7 hours, so I feel refreshed. Great. 7 hours is enough sleep. Yes. After that I say goodbye to my wife and son when they leave for work or school. Nice morning routine. Do you say goodbye in any special way? Nothing in particular. I just say, goodbye, or, take care. That's nice. You can also say, have a good day. Yes, I say that sometimes too. Perfect. What do you usually do after they leave? I exercise for my health. Great. Exercise is very important. What kind of exercise do you do? Mostly stretching. Sometimes I do weight training. That's a good combination. Stretching helps me stay flexible. Do you find weight training difficult? Nothing in particular. I usually do 10 to 15 repetitions at a time. I can manage that. This is a great start. Do you feel stronger now? Well, not stronger, but not weaker either. That's enough. If you keep at it, you will see progress. Do you like stretching and lifting weights? Yes, I do. It makes me feel good. Great. Feeling good is the best motivation. Yes, it gives you the energy to work at your best. Great. A healthy routine really helps. Is balance important to you? Yes, a balanced life is very important to me. Health is the basis of everything: work, communication, etc. Exactly. Balance is key. What helps you stay balanced besides exercise? I like music and dancing to music. Great. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music from all over the world. I use Alexa and just say, play pop music from all over the world. Listening to music is so easy with Alexa. Yes. I listened to Indian pop music today. It has some similarities to Western pop music. That's interesting. Do you dance? I just moved to music. Not dancing. But that sounds fun. Do you like rhythm? Yes. I love rhythm and beats. That's great. Music really makes me want to move. Of course. It helps me relax after a long day at work. That's great. Do you have a favorite song that helps you relax?